Hello guys, I'm Sanjana, and first of all a very warm welcome to all of you to XITE. And being a first year, being a fresher, I think a lot of thoughts are going around in your head right now. I remember my first days in XITE, I had the same situation. I was very anxious and a lot of questions were in my mind, like how is this place, how are the people, how are the faculty, will I be able to cope up with them, or will I get what I'm searching for in my career? And I think I can assure you right now that all of your questions are going to be answered very, very positively, so you don't have to worry about that. And I think if you have that potential and if you work very smart and hard for that, I think you will definitely do very well. And being a BBA student, I think not only academically but in all around personality development, the way you talk, the way you communicate, and how you present yourself in front of a gathering, and how confident are you with your thoughts and thinking, and everything, all that will grow and develop within this course for you. And who doesn't love learning with a little bit of fun? I think that would be one of the best things about XITE. And the faculty, I think it's the best ever. I think they are always there to help you whenever you need them. However, they are always there to help, and you would never have to doubt or think whether I should ask or not, or you never have to hesitate. They are very, very supportive and very friendly. So once again, I would like to say good luck and have a great time.
Hello everyone, my name is Sapna Chandakar. I hope you all are doing good in this lockdown. Congratulations on joining XITE, and I assure you that you won't regret this decision. You must be worrying about how you would cope up in this lockdown time and how you would get new concepts in your head in online learning mode. I would like to say that you don't need to worry about that. We were having online classes in this lockdown time and it was going quite smooth. So you don't need to worry about that. One important advice is that please be attentive in classes, because there are few things when you try to learn in internet or when you look at pages and when you browse them, it gets a little confusing and gets a little difficult. But when our teachers explain it, it seems quite easy. So please be attentive at that time and don't think that, oh, I will learn from here and learn from there. So when it is first taught to you, be very attentive. Second, I would like to say be very regular to your classes. Please don't be absent. Also, I would like to say, if you're thinking about buying books, I would say please don't rush and buy books right now. Your teachers will guide you as to when you should buy which book. Also, when our college reopens, we have a good collection of books there also, so you can issue those books and refer to those books. So please don't rush and buy books, okay? For any other query, I guess you would, when you were doing your research, you would have get to know about a lot of technical things about the college, and our teachers here are very supportive. I've said that. I don't think you would face any problem here at XITE. Everyone is here for you, for your academic purpose, and also I would like to say that they help you emotionally as well. Everyone's there for you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am told to give a message to the freshers. So here are a few things which I want to mention about this college, which I found interesting and adds on to my wonderful experience here at XITE. One is that the teachers here are very supportive and you will experience a great student-teacher interaction here. We focus on studies and academics here, but we also have Saturday activities which are for entertainment. I am proud of the discipline here at XITE, which makes it different from all the other colleges in the city. The seniors here are very helpful and interactive, and you will surely have a good experience here at XITE. Thank you.
Hello and welcome juniors. This is your immediate senior Anupama Chopo of BBA second year. Hope you all are safe and really doing well. I remember the day when we as a freshers stepped into this college with little nervousness and of course with lots of excitement too. It was just amazing. We all were welcomed so warmly and treated so well. It's like our own family member. Here in XIT, you will find a friendly environment and a lovely family bonding among all XITians. Talking about the faculties are all open-minded and supportive. They're always ready to help and guide students in each and every step we take. They actually encourage and motivate the students to enhance their inner ability. XIT aims to create and groom the students into an all-rounder person. During XIT, Saturdays are known as activity days. These activities are held for our own personal development. It helps us to understand how to manage things efficiently, and yes, it does enhances our inner ability. Well, I want to share one of my experience. I had been chosen as a class representative, which has helped me to develop an excellent leadership skills. I personally learned a lot about managing people. It is the best platform to get valuable knowledge. The college not only serves education, but makes a future leader. This is not just a college, but a place which will add a lot of value to your life. As I told you, we function as a big family, and everyone here, the management, the faculties, the students, are equally approachable and helpful. So juniors, fear not. If you people face any difficulties, you're always welcome to seek our help. So, all the best juniors. We are very much excited to interact with you all. Hope we'll see you soon. Take care.
Hello juniors. I, Shalini Shelly from second year, heartily welcome you all to XIT family. I am here to share my experience of 1 year of this institution, and let me tell you, it was a tremendous experience. In XIT, there are so many cultural and extracurricular activities happen very frequently, which has sharpened my skill in various fields. Talking about academics, we had very renowned professor with helping and friendly nature. The best part of academic which I like the most is the PowerPoint presentation which is given by our professor almost every month or two. By doing PowerPoint presentation, I had gained so many knowledges, like how to do a group work, how to present PowerPoint presentation in a good manner, and many more things. So this was all about my experience which I wanted to share in a nutshell. I think I had shared with you all everything which I wanted to share. And so this was our virtual meet. Hopefully we will meet soon. Till then, enjoy your online class and lots of love from your senior.